Hello, welcome back. Well, here we go. The drone ban is here in New Jersey. The FAA just posted temporary flight restrictions in New Jersey. This is for several areas in New Jersey for the next month unless operators secure special government authorization due to special security reasons is what they're calling it. I'm actually not surprised. I knew this was coming. I knew it was going to happen as soon as we started getting all this hoopla about mystery drones flying around in our airspace. Now, the decision follows numerous nighttime drone sightings reported across New Jersey, other parts of the U.S. East Coast in recent weeks, as you guys all are aware of. These incidents have occurred in residential neighborhoods, near military research facilities, raising alarms among residents and fueling, obviously, speculation about the origins of where these things are and who's flying them. So here's a complete list from the FAA's website. I'm going to post it up here. Many areas have restrictions and dates. They seem to vary a little bit. Most are between December 18th, 2024, January 17th, 2025, but dates do vary a little bit, and the list will continue to be updated, I'm sure about that. So you can see here up on my left, the date of issue by the FAA, the NOTAM number, as well as a brief description of each town's restrictions. I'm seeing at least 20 areas with flight restrictions as of this video upload. Federal agencies, include the FBI and Department of Homeland Security, have assured the public that there's no evidence to suggest that there's a threat. However, on Wednesday of this week, the FAA implemented, again, temporary flight restrictions in specific areas of New Jersey. These restrictions are set to remain in place until January 17th and may affect many towns and areas. So if you're in New Jersey, just be aware this is going on and it's already in effect. So you can see from the list here, just to name a few, we got Bridgewater, Cedar Grove, North Brunswick, Metuchen, Elizabeth, Jersey City, a bunch of others as well. Under these restrictions, drones are prohibited from flying within 1 nautical mile of designated airspace extending from ground level up to 400 feet. Violators may face interception, questioning by law enforcement, and obviously other penalties. Now, according to the notice, drones posing any imminent security threat may even be subject to use of deadly force. And of course, in response to the surge in all the drone reporting, the FBI has established a hotline for drone sightings and deployed advanced detection technologies alongside trained visual observers for these affected areas. The FAA emphasized that most of these sightings involve lawful commercial drones, hobbyist drones, and law enforcement aircraft, or even natural phenomenon like stars. As you may remember, I did a video stating just that. Now, these agencies also noted that with over 1 million drones registered in our U.S. airspace, thousands are lawfully operating drones. So congratulations to everyone that's doing this lawfully and following all the rules. So addressing the concern about drones near our military facilities, officials reiterated that such occurrences are not uncommon. The Department of Defense has robust measures in place to detect and address unauthorized airspace access and continues to collaborate with local law enforcement and ensure security. Now, the agencies also called on Congress to enhance counter-drone legislation, aiming to extend the authority to identify and address potential threats. However, a recent Senate proposal to fast-track a related bill faced opposition from Senator Rand Paul, who raised concerns over increasing government surveillance powers. The White House National Security Communication Advisor affirmed that the activity does not pose a national security risk, blah, 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 same old stuff we've been hearing. So I'd love to hear your thoughts on these newest restrictions that just went into effect. Were they warranted? Weren't they warranted? And what do you think this means for other states, not just New Jersey? Are restrictions coming to your state soon? Let me know what you think. Is this just the beginning of the end or just, I don't know. See you in the next video.